Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. So we have too many types of numbers in maths, and some of them are very interesting and they have very interesting names too. In this lesson, we are going to talk about one of them, which is Armstrong numbers. What is Armstrong number? If the number is formed by the sum of cubes of its digit, we call those number as Armstrong number. For example, 153. What I said, this number should be the sum of cubes of its number. 1 cube plus 5 cube plus 3 cube. So 1 cube is 1 times 1 times 1, which is 1, plus 5 cube is 5 times 5 times 5, which is going to be 125, plus 3 cubes is 3 times 3 times 3, which is going to be 27. And when you add all those numbers to each other, you are going to get 153. Alright, let me show you another one. 370. 3 cube plus 7 cube plus 0 cubes. So 3 cube 27 plus 7 cubes is going to be 343 plus 0 cube is 0, and add them up, that will be 370. So from 0 to 1000 we have just 6 Armstrong number. These are 0, 1, 153, 370, 371, and 407. And you can try for all of them and you will see their Armstrong number. I tried for those two of them, and for this one you don't need to try because 1 cube is 1 already and 0 cube is 0. And you please try for those two numbers. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Have a good day. Bye.